So there's two trades in play today. Here's what I'm watching. And Monday continued Friday's move, bringing price right down to the range low, where we saw a textbook V-shaped reaction. And this gives us two possible setups from our 6 money-making patterns. And we discussed all of these on our fast forward mentoring call. Two scenarios: bullish turn. If price holds, we could see a bounce back into the range from the range low to the range high, or we could see a bearish breakout, and if it breaks low, we'll see that continuation down. Both triggers are marked on the charts, and now it's time to wait to see which way it goes. So let's look at the charts. Stay tuned right to the end, where there'll be a fun and interesting stock market fact. So from Friday's close, we saw price continue to push down right into that range low that we've previously marked off and that we were eyeing, that 59.70 zone. Right there, we saw price react and then sell back off to the low of the day. And that creates this V-shaped pattern that I often talk about. And it's right at the overlap of what we've defined as the range low. And this gives me this, again, this inverted V in this case. And if we break below the lows, then we'll have that bearish breakout. Again, we can take the height of the range, deduct that from the range low, and that gives me that target there. And then if we go up, we can use the apex of that V as a bull trigger and target back to the range high. Now, again, scenario one is we go from the range low to the range high, and scenario two is basically we continue to break down and out again, bullish or bearish. And until one of those two things happens, scenario three, the one that everyone forgets, is to sit on our hands and wait. Price can just meander sideways. Now, looking at the overnight futures are off or around about 20 points on the S&P already, so potentially we'll be gapping down just as we come into the market open, and the VIX is just nudging that 20 level, so we could see price pop off on the bear side of the scenario. ADD's got plenty of potential to push down to that extreme. Again, we looked at that on Friday. Again, there wasn't much bearish potential, but that gap higher on Monday at the open just gave us the potential to see further downward movements, and that's what we're seeing right now. Here's a fun stock market fact. Did you know the phrase "buy the rumor, sell the news" originated in the 18th century? It was coined to describe the sharp market movements surrounding Napoleon's defeat at Waterloo, and traders in the know made fortunes buying ahead of the news and selling into that ensuring hype. Are you tired of watching the charts all day? What if you could trade in 10 minutes a day? Follow a simple rule-based trading system with no trend chasing even. Trade for an income using SPX options, and you can learn one of my favorite money-making patterns when you click the link next to this video, and you'll be taken to a complimentary training that outlines one of my favorite money-making patterns. So click the link and I will see you over there.